This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 40 feet 4 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Skylight, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS is 11,560 pounds. This 2026 Jayco Jay Flight Bungalow 40RLTS. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.